Thanks for clicking on this short video. This is an extraction from a longer video of a workshop. The link to this longer video is in the description below. There, we discuss other facets of the same issue discussed here. Do take a look too.
What should you say? When you approach someone, what are the things that you should say about yourself? So I'm going to give you a certain framework. I know there are lots of information out there, but I have this framework which I've used personally and I've helped my clients use, and it seems to work for them. So I'm going to share this with you. Okay? So you've got all this thing here: skills, how, goal, and motivate. Right. So what is this? Skills. What do you do well? Whether you're an expert in something, whether you're proficient in something. Right? How you help people, what problems you solve. So I help you. I'm going to give you examples, okay? What would you like to do? What's your goal? What would you like to do? So, I may be looking to learn something. I'm open to opportunities in this area. So okay. What drives you? What motivates you? You could use words like, I'm inspired by this. I really believe in this. Okay? So, I'm going to share with you Peter's own pitch.
Hi, I'm Peter. I have over 15 years experience managing and overseeing corporate governance and operations. A driving passion of mine is developing sustainable business practices within organizations. Given this, I'm often asked to help organizations streamline and enhance their governance structures in business operations. I recognize that many companies often struggle to integrate sustainability into their business models effectively. With my experiences in corporate governance and planning, and my passion for sustainability practices, I can provide strategic guidance to organizations seeking to adopt environmentally responsible strategies. I truly believe every organization has the capacity and responsibility to operate in a sustainable manner. I want to help and initiate such practices in organizations.
So here, the pitch is not something that you have to say all at once. Okay? Treat it as part of a conversation. Alright? Treat it as part of a conversation. I'm saying that this is not like an elevator pitch where you got 30 seconds to tell somebody in the lift. Right? If you can say all people are interested, fine. But I would suggest strongly you treat it as part of a conversation. Alright? So people may ask you the first thing, say, oh, what do you do? You can start off by saying the first part. And maybe even the second part, especially if people says, oh, that sounds interesting. How do you do this? Right? Then you continue the conversation. Okay? So that is a conversation. Maybe I shouldn't call it as a pitch. Maybe it's a conversation. It's a conversation. Is that all right? Okay? So if you want to take a screenshot of this thing in, by all means do so. Hi. Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you've seen and can't wait for the next one, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel in the link below. See you soon.